I will say it again with a clear conscience and with full confidence. I have no intention of running for any national position. Therefore, it makes absolutely no sense for me to promote myself. Madam Ichu, sinesweldohan po tayo ng gobyerno. I abandoned my third term as mayor of Liloan to accept the job of being tourism secretary. And sad to say, for too many days and nights, I have abandoned even my young children in service of the country, no? For no other reason than to serve. Because I feel that the Filipino people do not deserve anything less. And that is to have a tourism secretary who shows up again and again, who is there in times of calamity as well as celebration for our islands, and who is there to make sure that the tourism industry continues to deliver livelihoods and jobs. That is the extent of what I have done. I have not stolen a single peso of government funds. I have not committed a single act of corruption. All I have done is work. And so for there to be such a vilification of this kind, speaks to how things can be weaponized for one reason or other. Diba? But so much has been said. So much mud has been thrown. So much judgment has been passed upon me. I only have the truth. The truth of which can be found in data, in revenues for the country, in employment of our tourism stakeholders, and in the hope that continues to pervade the nation precisely because we have worked under the Marcos administration to leave the tourism industry stronger than what it was when we found it.